Hi friends, in today's assembly we are going to see how to make shaft from this butterfly assembly. This is how our shaft is looking. Now let's start it. We are just going to make this half part so we can use shaft command to it. Open CATIA, after that select any plane and then go on sketch option. After that select this sketch option and create one sketch as shown in figure. I want straight line. Now let's give dimensions to it. Use this double constraint option. Now distance between this to this is given as 37.1, means 37.1 divided by 2. I am using divided by 2 because I am just going to use half part of this, so I am always using every constraint divided by 2, every dimension divided by 2. Now distance between this to this is given as 56 divided by 2, and from here to the center is 87.2 divided by 2. All dimensions are given in figure and I am just using same. Now distance between this line to this line is given as 28.9. After that distance between this line to this line is given as 89.8, and after that this to this is 24, and from this to this is given as 193.8 plus 38.2. and now this is how we have completed our half sketch. After that go on exit to workbench, just select this shaft command and select axis and then click on OK. After that select plane and then again go on sketch option. After that we have to make one rectangle. I am creating rectangle to it. Now distance between this to this line, wait a second, select constraint option. Distance between this line and this line must be equal to 15.1. Now distance between both of them is given as 15.1. After that now distance, wait a second, pull this line below to center axis. Distance between this and center axis is given as 3.1. It's not given directly in figure, but you have to calculate it. I have calculated it and it's 3.1. After that distance between this line to this line is given as 38.2 and enter it. After that go on exit to workbench and use this pocket command. Now we have to make pocket to both of the side because our selected our selected plane is from middle, so you can select here whatever you want and use mirror extend and take preview. You can see here our extra part is removed and click on OK. After that go on this surface and then go on sketch option, make one circle here and use this constraint option of what is its diameter. It's given here 12.5, and now again Again make one same circle of 12.5. Now let's give dimensions to it. Distance from this line to this center is given as 46.9. 46.9. After that, distance between this to this is given as 100. And now again go on, exit to workbench. All dimensions are given in figure, you can see from there. Use this pocket command and holes are throughout, so just click on OK. This is how we have completed our shaft. Thank you so much friends.